Welcome to Pyramid and Precious. The production unit of Pyramid and Precious will always be focused on getting quality work and competitive prices for our customers. It all starts by selecting good pieces of mineral to get great gemstone piece. Cut them to the perfection, shape them as of need, and make according to the customer's need, and then polish them patiently to get a perfect cut stone, ready to fit for a jewelry article. Bezelling mounting, collet setting are furthermore needs to get a jewelry article done. As all these are handmade items, so an artisan needs years of experience to get the gemstone fixed with a high result. Our planting plant is capable in providing all kinds of plating, such as flash plating, electroplating, all levels of micron plating. A part of it, we do have a solution for anti-tarnish. The proper production lineup and an experience of more than 20 years gave us the strength of providing good deal to our customers. Pyramid and Precious.